All right. Let's go. All right. That was easy.
What did you do?
Just slid right in. That's what she said. Yeah, maybe I'll go shop. Oh, that's your GoPro. I'll watch for some like real thin pads that could fit on these.
I've seen them.
Yeah, and then I'll tie the seats back. Maybe we'll have a higher back mount or like a back.
That might be cool.
You can lean back. Like, maybe an automatic rower, like an engine or something.
No, you can't do that.
Oh, that's right. It says you can't.
It says you can't. It's illegal.
Oh yeah. Imagine feds busting down my door because I put a motor on my Kayak. Ooh, yeah, it's an old glass bottle. Oh,
It's not an old bottle.
Dr. McGillicuddy's.
That's just someone.
This would be so ideal.
Yeah.
Like just go, all right, just slide right in, go anywhere you want. It's nice. Looks like they just cut the weeds too.
Yeah.
They have a big metal kayak, or a canoe.
Yeah?
Can't imagine that putting it in here though. No. You want to go right now?
I don't know.
No, let's go down further. Let's go down there and take a right at the T.
Yeah.
Did we do that last time?
No, we went left.
Aight.
Yeah, this is where I think we went left, isn't it? Oh no, this
Yeah,
is
you have to here at least.
Yeah, okay. That's right. There's a little bit of a curve. Flowing from somewhere.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, I wonder if it's going to be too low to get into the tunnel.
Maybe.
We will find out.
long as we don't get stuck and we can come back. Big. See him?
No. Oh yeah, yeah, on the wood.
He's tall.
Yeah. It's like a pistachio.
There he goes.
It's a big bird.
Mm-hmm.
Who's not real. It's a bird.
A weird one.
Yeah, that's a weird bird.
I don't know what it was. It wasn't a duck. Some other type of waterfowl.
Wow.
I feel like I need a checklist.
As far as like what you see.
Yeah, I've seen a hermit, turtle, fish, whatever the fuck that was. See, here is really
Ah,
bad.
yeah, good luck with that. I'll hang back here to see how you do.
Oh, and a frog. I saw a frog when we first
Oh, cool.
came in. Like one little row where it's just deep enough.
Oof. I would so get stuck. I can't turn around either. Oh. I'm brushing.
Can't see anymore. Not bad.
Yeah.
Watch out, turtle!
I like turtles.
Okay.
Oh, wow. It just keeps going.
Yeah.
Must be so buggy to sit out there.
Probably.
They keep going?
Kinda, not really.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That looks like it's it. Could we keep going if that wasn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Really?
Absolutely.
Huh.
At least that way. I don't know about the other way. I'm curious, though.
Like to the left?
Yeah.
Maybe. you could try it. Oh, what if you went in from down there?
Maybe. It's pretty shallow there too, but like I'd rather take my chances with mud than the tree.
Yeah. Ooh, red berries, yum. Oh. Oh, I thought you made it. Oh. Alright, it's not bad. Cool. Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Bye, see you later. I'll take care of the mortgage.
I'll let you know what's down here. Good. Oh no. Let me go!
Some rough times over there.
So how do I get out?
You gotta go. Steam through it. Go! Nope. Oh, not bad. I've kind of noticed that if you raise yourself up, you might get a lower profile. I don't know if that's fact or fake news, but
I just push.
that works too. When'd you get a Prodigy sticker on yours?
I think I took the one off my car and put it.
Oh, that's funny.
Alright, I guess you get to lead us back through the shallows.
That's right. Let's go. That way you can see if I get stuck permanently. Oh yeah. The Mariana Trench. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Or whatever you were, chupacabra.
Bob kitties. Bob kittens.
Mountain kitties.
Bobby kittens. I don't know where you're going.
Ooh, there's a track in the mud. Ooh, I wonder what animal left that.
Well, you're about to find out.
No, it looks like deer. Something with hooves.
Ooh, behooves me.
I was just gonna say that, oh my god. Probably go under that. I'm wedged.
Oh well, I'll take care of the mortgage.
Okay, bye.
I ain't doing that. You ain't never coming back.
There's water in my boat.
Well, I don't know whose fault that was.
Wow, there's a rock over there. Oh no, those are trees. Those are trees.
It behooves me to let you explore first.
That's totally fine. I'm already fucking in here.
What's all the way to the right? Is that a dead end?
No.
You could probably get over there.
I think so. Alright, let's do that first and I'll experiment with that nonsense.
Wait, can I get over to the right? Wait.
I was thinking about that too. Yeah, you probably could. And then come out through right here. Yeah. Because that stick is pretty
well.
bendable. So I think you can just bend it down if you can get on top of it.
Yeah.
Do it, Jeff.
No.
Tell
No.
that stick is boss.
I'm good.
Do you want me to come over and push it down?
No. No, I'm good. Nah, I'm already stuck, so no. No good.
Oh, you could totally get on this.
Nope.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh, that's a big piece. Holy cow. Pretty cool area. This is really shallow, and then there's another tree, so I don't think we can get very far.
Cool. The struggle is real, folks. The struggle is real.
I don't think those trees like me being back there.
Nope. They haven't seen humans in years.
Probably.
Like, we thought we got rid of you guys. Thought you guys didn't make it.
Alright, that was fun. And I'm all covered in tree.
Tree funk.
I think I scraped my whole head against the bottom of that other tree, so I can't really see what my hair looks like.
Aww. Poor hair.
More or less what it's going to be like trying to go through that tunnel.
Oh yeah. That at least doesn't have branches or anything.
No, just spider webs everywhere.
Just to lay back and try it.
Look how dirty my kayak is now.
I know.
It's like
Mine's all
weeds
clean.
and mud. Who knows what? Probably covered in poison ivy and ticks.
I bet we could carpet the inside of these.
Why?
Make it all shag carpeting.
Yeah, well, mine's got water in it, so
Yeah, that'd be nice.
I tipped
Guess so.
and it went.
Yep. Where, like in the initial part?
Yeah, when I was going.
Yeah, underneath the
Yeah, under the tree, I tipped too far and I took water.
Taking in water.
Did you get that on film?
Oh, I got everything. Still blinking.
It's weird. I think it doesn't usually pick up my voice very well unless you edited it out, because the other videos from the last time I watched them and you couldn't hear me talking.
Yeah, you're supposed to, or it picks up voices like just around it normally.
Yeah, when I'm
It's not-
like 6 feet ahead of you and I'm like speaking nonsense back at you. Like, you can't
Well, if
hear
you're
me.
facing the other way, I can barely hear you.
Oh, really? So I'm just out here talking to myself.
Yep. I pick up a word here and there to make it, you know, answerable.
Seem conversational.
Yep.
We'll get a nice little montage out of this trip
Yeah, I agree.
of all of my bad decisions.
Maybe I'll make a Brojack YouTube channel. I'm down. I'll do it. That way I can preserve my videos, 'cause I don't want to fucking hold on to them.
Yeah. Oh, the water's so cold. It feels nice.
Yeah, it is.
I'm serious about swimming where the T is. I think it's deep enough.
I
Someday I'll go
wouldn't.
there. Why? Just because it's
Not really
different?
stagnant, but it's not really flowing.
That's true.
Oh, fuck me. Why did I do that? Oh, God. caught. Lucky tree pieces.
That's messing up our ambiance.
Technically, toilet paper is tree pieces. Yeah, I don't think you can go up it.
Oh wow, that's cute.
Go for it.
I'll go first.
I'll videotape. That's technically true, yeah. Yeah. This might be the perfect scenario, though we'll have to struggle to get over the sandbar, but...
Yeah, but it was only high on one side, I remember.
Yeah, go to the left.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I think the right is...
Yeah, the deeper.
Wait. I don't remember now. Which...
Yeah, we went to the right going in, but I think coming
away.
out we just stayed to the right, or stayed to this side. I'm gonna try this side though. Oh no. Oh, hold on. Let me get far over to the right here. There we go.
Yeah, that's not bad on the way. Yep.
Yeah, this isn't bad.
The left definitely is the way to go. Now you know how I feel. I should be filming this. I can see it.
Oh, it's clear. Let me see if I can lay back. Oh, wait. Oh.
Yeah, push your feet out. Ooh, it's dark.
Ooh. Oh, yeah, sunglasses. Oh, it's fine now.
What are you on this one?
Alright, you gonna fit through? I think I can do it. Getting back, like, I just hope we can turn around over there. It looks like there's enough room.
Yeah, if you go to the left, I think it'll be fine. Are you ready, cameraman? I wish we had a light. Will your GoPro still be able to see in the dark?
Yeah. Yeah, it's an action pro. It's good. It adjusts.
Alright. I'm going in. See, my life jacket keeps holding my head up.
Oh, that's easy. Actually, you're like, you've got 1.5 foot above you. Yeah, want me to push you?
No.
I'm not gonna slouch down, I'm just gonna lean back a little. Yeah, this is good. I'm good. Uh-oh. You just reach the roof and push.
I ain't touching that.
Why not?
Because it's buggy.
No, it's not. Oh, it's fine. It's dry. I'm touching it right now.
Oh, yeah?
Use it. Just go. Push. You touch that.
No, wrong way, Kayak, wrong way.
Seems to be a blockage. Ugh. There we go. Yep.
Ew. There's a sewer grate underwater. Like an old one. That's weird. Oh my goodness.
Alright. That was uneventful.
Not too bad. Yay!
Yeah, next time you definitely don't have to lay all down. Like, I just went like this. It was totally fine.
Look at that.
Yep, this is where I ran over that, and I looked down here. I was like, oh, It's thin, but it'll work. Oh,
Go to the right.
shailer. Oh, shit. Uh-oh.
No.
Yeah, I don't know about this.
No.
I'll let you go a little bit, see how it is.
Come on. Okay, this is good.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah, you said just watch out for the thorns.
Yep. Okay.
Oh, it ends.
Oh, great. Perfect timing. Right in the thorns. Well, if we're turning around, I ain't going through this shit.
No, don't bother.
Oh, I'm in it. Couldn't stop. Turning sideways. Okay, I got it. We're good. Oh, I just got wiped by a fucking really, really dirty, moldy. Ah, there's a spider in here now. Yeah, that wasn't fun. All right, buddy. We're gonna get you out. There we go. Come on. Oh, I probably have some disease now.
That's okay. We both probably do. It'll be solidarity.
Cool. We're like blood brothers. Mud brothers. Super mud brothers. Super muddy-o brothers. Uh-oh. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Not the best idea. Imagine coming down this way and just seeing this at the end of your fucking... Alright, we're gonna angle right in here. Nice. Oh, it's pretty serene. Oh, look up there.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's like fucking alien.
Yeah. Gross.
Yeah, it's like right, and then you gotta go way over there. There we go. Alright. Everything's good now. Forget it. I bet it's pretty deep right here. I bet it's pretty deep right here. What? To swim? Oh. Huh? A little. Slightly deep. You're never gonna get up in the boat. How you gonna get up?